has plenty, but...
Alright, let's go find him.
If you want to take the boat,
I'm good. You say he's over here? Hey. I think I know where he's at. He won't go that way because he's scared of the dogs down there. But this way. I think he's over there in our garage if he's not over here. What's up? On someone.
he's inside.
He's on someone's roof.
He's on someone's roof or just on the roof.
Okay, I think
He called me, and I heard rattling.
He called you?
Yeah, he called me and he said...
I thought you were calling him.
Then he called me and I called him. Then he said...
Where did you, hey, hide the guns, hide the guns. Where did y'all see, where'd y'all see him last? AJ said he's over here. Hold up, wait a minute, Mr. Postman. Y'all stay right here. Clear. Y'all, look at me. I think he's back there. Hey, to the right, to the right, to the right. Your house, gone. He's got a gun! Dude, this ain't gonna shoot for. Huh. It's loaded?
Yeah.
Okay. Time out. John, we got him. Nope. He's gotta be behind this little thing right here. He's in the creek! How'd he get in the creek? Yeah. Put your hands up! Stop! 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 Shush! Sit still! I'll shoot you. You take another step, I'm gonna shoot you. Stop. Don't take another step. Don't take another step. Do you understand me? 3. Hey, I'll shoot him off of you.
No.
Oh, I thought I got his head. Where's my little big gun? Stop playing games! Get down! Get on the ground! Get on the ground. Alright, so they got a 2-minute timer set. And I'm the robber now. So, where to go? Hey babies. Oh, my leg. It's either gonna be a really good spot or a really bad spot. Good thing is, I did start out the pistol. So. You ready?
Ready? Loaded. I got enough bullets.
3, 2, 1.
Coming down!
Diminish just ended. And I'm ready. We're good.
Let's get it.
Unsafe, dude! Shut up.
Don't talk that loud.
I thought we were collecting a bounty.
Wait a second. Where would Jeremiah? Where would Jeremiah? He wouldn't go into any random yard.
I think there's something. Hey, baby. Hey, T. Hey, buddy. Kind of scared me the way you were looking at me like that. Oh, what the hell are you doing?
It's in my house. As soon as I get on this step, hand me that. No. Clear.
I'm about to go on that roof. Oh my gosh.
Isaiah, stay here. No, stay here. Stay here.
Is that there?
Noise.
Hey.
I ain't going in yet. Think we might have found Jeremiah.
They're literally all around me. They just waiting for the dogs. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Sassy the cat over there.
So one thing I have to avoid, if I go off of this right here, sliding off, that's one thing to avoid. Anyways, if I go off this right here, onto that dirt pile over there, I gotta avoid the car lines right there. And I'm surprised this GoPro hasn't died. John was literally sitting way over there on the other side of that fence. And he didn't even see me. All he had to do was look up and see me. Alright, I gotta play my skate for right here though. Just see actually how far down that is. That is actually so much further than it looks. Heck, if I had to, I'd do it, I bet. Might be better just to jump off this right here. I don't even know anymore. How do I even get up here? Oh yeah. I'd do it if they were chasing me down. I'm about to just worry about getting off this roof onto that over there.